maybe like
My
something
my
something German actually, but like you guys wouldn't know it.
my girlfriend is they're literally after each other. So I'm like, this wasted love. You show me more than me. And then hallucination finishes and like
Also, a song that I think is very good from Eurovision. I was in the Faroe Islands, and we had the national holidays where there's parties all around, and I could just hear from an outside party like I love that song so
I love Bala.
Baller.
I don't know what she's saying though. I never.
The stars are shooting through the roof or whatever,
Yeah,
What is the song about, guys?
or crashing into my roof. Knallen? Yeah,
Alan is like crashing or like hitting something.
yeah.
Oh,
But is it a love song? Is it heartbreak song? Is it?
That was like a party song.
Yeah, it's like she says, es tut doch bisschen weh, wenn ich dich wiedersehe, so it still hurts a little bit when I see you.
Mm.
But I'm
Aber
over.
ich komme
Come
nie
wieder.
wieder, egal was du mir sagst, so I will not come back again no matter what you tell me. So it's kind of like heartbreak, like okay, you're trying to convince me to come
yes.
back, but like I'm not coming.
Yes, I'm only coming with
No,
orgasm.
ich komme. No, ich komme. Eh?
You guys, I need to calm down. I think I'm having a manic episode or something.
Episode, yeah.
Exactly. No, I'm just kidding. I just have a lot of
Jakob is
energy.
here from Kai.
Who?
Jakob from Kai.
Jakob. Jakob.
Oh, hi.
Jakob.
How are you doing?
Vi ska vara bastu.
Hi,
Oh,
Felicia.
Oh, is Felicia Luca here?
Felicia Lewis
No,
here.
Lucia.
She
Felicia!
was with me the entire day. Yeah, we're so tired. Well, mainly I'm tired, but like she did a lot of work too. We were filming a lot of content while we were shooting
Hell yeah, she is
something.
she's a good Soviet
Yeah.
creator.
I have a very angry sausage in the house.
Oh, Felicia. I love you, Felicia.
Oh, and I wish I had
Bye,
an angry
Felicia. No, I'm
sausage.
kidding.
No, I'm kidding.
Guys, I'm getting so many edits on TikTok from our live streams.
No. There's a huge amount. Like, it's crazy.
Like every single live stream, everyone always makes a new edit. Like they're editing it.
Yeah.
It's so fun.
Can I go out and then come back in because I can't see the comments?
Yeah, I have to leave anyway, like in a few minutes.
Wait,
'cause
I'm coming back.
I have to
Right.
do some.
Oh.
Oh, Sisal. I've gotta
She don't care.
do
She
some
don't.
work.
Work.
No, like for it, I have to do some
Margarita work.
like. Oh gosh, you guys are crazy. No, I really have to do some work, like some work essentials, like business type shit.
Yeah, no, yeah.
To be honest, same.
Like I have a deadline, which is on Friday, so I need to get everything done by Friday. So
I have to get everything done
can
by
do this.
tomorrow because I'm going to my daddy's home country on Thursday. I'm going to Napoli.
oh, I love that.
I've never been, lol.
Well, then it's right. It's about damn time.
It's about that time. In a minute, I'm a little phenomenal.
I'm back.
Man and woman, put me up.
Hi! Hi! You
Oh,
in the,
Ahmad
in the
and Simon
pink
is here.
shirt. Hi! Hi!
Hello. Hey.
Hi!
Hello.
Oh, and Brede is here. Hi, Brede.
Oh, is he?
Is JJ trying to show us that lady?
Yeah, exactly.
No, I'm not trying to show you the lady. I was ordering food.
Show us
No,
the
I'm just
waiters
fucking with you
in.
guys. I'm just fucking with you guys. I just wanted to show you guys this lady because she was looking at me the entire time. I was like, what is going on here?
Hi!
So she was like, hey, hola.
I feel like
Hello,
that's not
place.
Brede.
Play, smile at us, lady. Place, we are friendly.
I don't know if that's Brede. Does he have that profile pic?
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay.
Wait, there's a.
Your mic is lost somewhere in the pillows.
Oh,
Mine?
Oh my
Yeah.
God,
yeah.
Brede is here. Hi, Brede.
I don't
Hi,
know if
bread.
this is
You
Brede.
remind me of
Hi,
bread.
Layla.
Oh,
Sissel, do you
good.
like Nina Sissik? Yes, she's an amazing singer and very,
I'm
very
from
cute.
Germany, but I live in Switzerland. So I'm living back there.
Where did that
Are you
come
from
from?
Italy?
Ooh.
Which one?
Where are you from? Italy. Italy. Yes.
Who's talking?
Where's this coming from?
Oh, that's me. I'm sorry. That was my
Oh,
manager.
Oh, what
I
the
was
fuck?
scared.
I was literally like,
your
am
manager?
I going
Can I
insane?
say hi?
Hi.
Hello. Hello.
Oh,
She was like, "Oh no, I'm in the stream now."
yes,
Yeah.
you are in the stream.
I love her. She's a queen.
Islands in the
She's
stream.
hilarious.
That is
What
what
is
you
what we
want.
are?
Okay.
Don't let it sweet.
Brete, you traumatized me. The fuck? Someone can't even spell traumatized. Can you guys do heart with your hands? Okay, me and Kyle can do here. Wait.
But wait, I have Kyle next to me. What's
Oh,
going
Yeah,
on?
no, but oh, what?
who's
We
next
have
to
to do
me?
it on one person. Who am I next to? Which side?
I'm
JJ.
next to JJ.
Oh, I'm next to Kyle.
Am I doing it right?
Yes.
Oh, I mean,
Oh my god.
I
No, JJ. You're
we
on the
could do it like
opposite.
both ways. No, I mean,
Oh, okay. That looks weird, you guys.
okay, yeah.
That is
Mm.
weird looking.
I got a
Lily, who the
question
hell
for
is
you,
talking? Ahmad.
guys.
Huh?
Which Disney princess do you compare yourselves to?
Ursula.
I said princess, not villain.
No, but I
Hello,
can't.
place. Why
I
you don't understand my England?
I can't.
Place.
I can't relate to a princess because I am just way too. I don't know. I'm not cute enough. I think I'm more like a Bratz doll, if anything.
No, same. But Disney princess is like,
Does JJ know he's muted himself?
Fuck. I was saying Sissel is the ugly stepsister.
No, she's way too tall.
No, I'm just kidding. Did your foot fit in the glass slipper?
I have very wide feet, so probably not.
No,
if
I'm
the
just
show fits,
kidding.
wear it, Cinderella.
Ugh.
There's like
Sis-
one
I
story that with Cinderella that they cut off their heel to fit into the shoe.
Someone said JJ is Mulan.
Oh,
Is
oh,
it because I'm
oh,
Asian?
oh! No, listen. Okay, Mulan, I can actually like, if anything, Mulan. But I didn't see her as a princess, but she's definitely a character
She
that
she
I,
actually is a
yeah.
character, yeah.
yeah, I would like to like. I could maybe relate to her, but like Cinderella and Bella and like where everything evolves around men, it's like nah, like it's no.
Yeah. For me, Sissel would be, I think, Cinderella or Rapunzel. Oh my God. Cinderella or Rapunzel because of your blonde hair.
Okay, and that's it. Yeah.
I'd say Miriana would be, she could be Pocahontas or
Mm.
like who else has like black hair? Like really like
For
Yasmin.
him,
Yasmin.
oh Jasmine from Aladdin and Kyle would be Abu the monkey from Aladdin. No, Kyle would be
Oh,
like Prince Charming or something.
Oh my God.
why am
Where?
I not a princess?
I would say JJ
Who
is
the fuck pinned Kyle is a fit boy?
it's not me. I did not do that.
I can't even see
Adriana?
the comment, so it's not
That was
me.
definitely Kyle. Kyle. Just because you have a boyfriend now, that doesn't mean
I love that.
Kyle is Aladdin.
Oh
someone said
yeah,
Kyle is
Aladdin.
Belle.
I
I
would.
feel like maybe JJ is Robin Hood because he
Oh
steals a lot,
god.
you know.
Oh
JJ, are you
god.
Peter Pan?
Peter Pan.
Are you Peter Pan?
No, I would probably be.
No, not
I'd be
Kristoff.
Belle, and Kyle would be the Beast. No, no, I would
Bitch, if
be.
any one of you guys were the beast, it would be you, JJ. I'm sorry, but Kyle is way too
No,
femme.
Cecil,
to
at least
be.
I'm not built like the Beast.
At least I'm stronger than you, bitch.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Valid
Okay.
point.
I mean, you got me at that one. I'll give you
JJ is
that one.
Call
Moana.
me when your boobs grow out.
JJ is Moana. Someone said.
Moana is crazy, but I kind of get. Someone said Kyle is Dora and JJ is Boots.
JJ is Tinkerbell.
Miriana is the map, and Cecil is the
Why the fuck am I
backpack.
the map? Do I look like a map?
Yeah. I would be Hora the Explorer. Dora the Explorer, I'm sorry.
And I would be Cunty Boots.
I mean, you could be
Yes.
Moana, Miriana, and JJ could be the big fat guy in Moana.
Maui.
Maui.
At least I'm not built like the island.
Like
Hey,
Jenzol.
Like Shendol.
No,
Shendol
it's
is
a
built like the
backpack.
island.
What do you mean?
No, Jendor is built like.
I'll have
Goes
you
hand
know,
in hand.
Jenzol
No,
is
no, no.
working it at the gym with my
No, no.
girlfriend.
I
love
think
that.
I would be Lilo and Cecil would be Stitch.
No,
I feel like I would make a good
you know what?
Stitch.
You know what? Kyle would be Snow White, and then we would be the dwarfs.
Actually.
No, I think I know. Cecil would be Rapunzel. Miriana would be Mother Gothel. I would be Flynn Rider, and Kyle would be Maximus Horse. No, but like
Oh my
I
god,
think
Kyle
not
is
using the
Timon and
horse.
JJ is Pumbaa. That is the most.
Wait,
and
That
you
is
are
wait,
Mufasa.
wait. Did you guys ever watch Madagascar?
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
I like.
I would be Maurice.
I like them today.
I'm the hippo.
No, I am the hippo.
Cecil would be the
Yeah.
fat hippo. Yeah.
I would be the hippo.
What's his name? He's
Okay, and I wanted to
tiny.
say the fat hippo, not just
Oh.
the hippo. You're like, yeah, the fat hippo.
No, you said that
Papa
first. I just repeated what you
Nah,
said.
bitch, I just said the hippo, you little motherfucker.
Oh,
What's his name? The tiny
No.
one with the googly eyes.
I don't know.
But
Sid?
I'm him.
I know the little like squirrel, because then
Yeah.
there's Maurice and King Julian. I think Kyle would be King Julian.
For sure.
He has a Spanish accent, so
Cecil would be Gloria.
Who the fuck is Gloria?
That's a hippo.
The fat hippo that he mentioned earlier.
Oh my
No,
god.
I didn't
like
say
them
that. I
big.
didn't say no.
I like them.
Miriana would be. She would be.
I think
Yeah, the little one.
who's
And
the little one is called Mort.
Mort. Yeah,
Mort?
someone just said Mort. And I would probably be one of the penguins or something like that. I don't know.
No.
Oh my god, you would be Happy Feet, you know, the one that is.
I love Happy
Oh, that's
Feet.
true. That's little JJ.
Oh my god, someone said Kyle is Melman, the giraffe.
Oh no, my comments are gone. Great.
No, that's Bred.
My comments are gone too.
True, because he's so tall. True. Yeah, he would be the giraffe.
And should we someday become big artists to the point where we have to like have a sequel of a series or a movie, who
No,
would
when
play
I
your
become
part?
yes.
Oh.
You mean when I become a big artist, me and Kyle?
What?
Oh no, I was.
Girl, what the hell?
And Mariana, sorry, I forgot Mariana. JJ, he's out.
No.
No, I'm kidding.
So
I
watch
will
your
come to your
back.
house directly.
I'm coming for you.
Literally, he just won Eurovision. He can have
I know
my guy.
exactly where you live. No,
Do
I'm
you
kidding.
know?
I
Oh
do.
my god.
What's up?
I know,
No,
like, she speaks nothing like I do, but I feel like Sofia Vergara would do a very good job to play me.
Oh
oh my
yes,
god, that would be
yes,
so funny.
yes.
True.
And you know what? I think you would be a good Morticia Adams.
Yeah, I was gonna say,
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yeah,
who could play Kyle? Maybe
Chris Van.
Troy, like a mix of
Timothy.
Troy and Timothy Chalamet.
Yes, yes, yes. I see that. I
I think
see
so.
that.
Oh
But
my God, what
not
about
Si
JJ?
Sissel would be, I don't know.
You're
Like,
trying
who's
to
a
find something funny, you bitch.
no. Who's a platinum blonde? Like Margot Robbie, maybe.
Trisha Paytas.
No, but wait!
Uh,
Movie stars!
no, I think Margot Robbie could play because you have like similar like the hair.
Yeah.
the
Bitch, like I
hair.
was, yeah, I want to say thank you, but like she is the hottest woman alive. But yes, thank you.
Bitch, you're hot
I
too.
think you're hotter, Sissel.
Then Margot
You
Robbie.
yes.
Yeah.
Is someone recording this shit? Is someone? Is
No, to
someone
get your
recording?
fucking self-esteem up or something.
Yes.
Because you're the baddest bitch around. Like,
Oh shit! Oh
But who
shit!
would I don't know who could play me. I don't know who could play me. Maybe like
Who could play JJ? I'm trying to be nice here. I'm not trying to be mean. Wait a minute.
Olivia Rodrigo.
oh god.
Melanie
Got
Blivet.
my driver's
I'm kidding.
license.
Filipino voice.
I'm kidding.
Filipino voice chakra.
Oh god.
Throat
Nee,
chakra.
danke.
What is
Give me
the
something.
woman called?
You know who is his name? He's
Bretman
like a
Rock.
yes.
Oh, I'm like more. I'm like more Kevin Hart, but okay.
You have the same energy. He's like,
We don't even
wake up,
look alike.
bitch. Wake up, bitch.
Yeah, that's true. Kevin Hart doesn't have any hair. That's definitely true.
God.
Okay,
Okay,
wait.
Bretman
guys, I would
Rock.
have to leave now actually.
Jackie Lee.
Um who?
Jackie Lee. Jackie Chan.
Jackie Lee. Jackie Lee. Jackie Lee.
Jackie Chan is crazy.
He's fucking cool.
No, yeah, maybe. Okay, anyways, guys, I really have to go now. I love you so much, and I hope we'll see each other very soon. We should do another live soon because everyone's constantly texting me, when are you going live with the beauty
Literally.
blenders? So we should do this more often, please.
Yes. At least this time we didn't leave that much of a gap. I think a week.
Yeah, it was about a week.
Okay, so maybe we'll try to do this every week, people.
Yes, let's do this. Okay, I
Yeah,
can't promise, but
that's
we'll
like
try.
us saying like, oh, we're gonna go in a group chat.
We'll try. Oh
Like,
God.
yeah, sure.
Okay, love you guys.
We'll try, no
Love
problem.
you. Bye.
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 Okay, now that he's gone.
Yeah.
Now that
Now
he's
that-
gone.
Should we do the thing where we have like one guest in for a
Yeah.
while? Should we do that?
Should we?
We should.
We're gonna have people hyperventilating.
Oh my
Let's
God.
go.
Alright, guys. Talent show. Right the fuck now.
Do you have a question for us? Try and how do you say it? Like,
Try and think about it like on beforehand.
yes, exactly. Have it on beforehand, and then we will let you in on the live stream. So request now.
Interesting questions
go,
only,
go.
please.
3, and you can ask anything. You can have nasty questions. You can have fun questions. You can have serious questions. We might answer.
Yeah. Literally anything.
But I can't.
Let's go.
I can't
We're
let anyone in,
waiting.
right? Actually, like literally, Kyle, I was thinking about it the other day. I think, like literally, you will be the.
Getting dressed.
Oh.
I was like, yeah, you don't want to see my other half. How are you doing?
Ah! Who is this bitch?
Hello.
Happy
Literally, they closed this open. How are you guys? I miss all of you.
We're good. How are you?
How are you?
Do you like my new hair?
Oh, it's
I-
so
Oh,
cute.
We love it.
I look straight and everything. I can be like, so.
Bitch, bitch. You're delusional.
It's giving Zaddy.
You are way too sharp everywhere else to be straight. Sorry, but that
Yeah,
is.
I know.
Yeah.
How you all doing? I miss all of you guys. I mean, I had the chance to see Kyle and JJ in Madrid that, I don't know, a month ago. But it's just like, it's just this little thing that time didn't pass at all.
I
Feel
know.
like time had stopped. And I don't know, I'm super excited for next year. I really want you guys, beauty blenders, there in Vienna.
We'll
I think
see.
it will be so much fun.
Eurovision plays beauty blenders on the stage in
Yeah,
Telvala.
don't, you know what, Habibi? I'm gonna start like a petition.
Yes.
Send it to
Yeah.
ORF right now. But now I see Miriana and Kyle and Cecil being so famous, so important. They'll be saying, you know what? I'm too busy. I'm not doing that.
No.
As if.
Eurovision is like Eurovision. What?
Wait, did you just say just Kyle and JJ, bitch?
I said Miriana
No.
and you too.
Oh, okay. I'm like, bitch.
No.
Okay,
You know
but
what? Eurovision
Ahmad,
always.
I'm sorry
Tell
to
me.
cut you off, but we were supposed to be having a karaoke, no, like a Q&A.
Oh yeah,
Karaoke! I was gonna say
a
karaoke.
karaoke. What do you? I mean, I can go. It's fine. I just
No.
wanted to tell you that I miss you all.
Okay,
Yeah, we
And
miss you
hallucination.
too, Ahmad.
are you coming to Barcelona?
I will be
No.
coming
When?
soon. I want. Wait, is it warm in the winter as well?
It's warmer than Denmark. Anywhere is
I
warmer
might
than
be
Denmark.
coming
Everything's
soon.
warmer than Norway and Denmark. So
Yeah, actually, I'll message you next week because things are brewing, and I think you're gonna be excited about things that are coming on your way in the Eurovision world. Wait for it.
Oh
Bye-bye.
my god! Exciting.
Only Adam knows, and next you, hopefully. Take care, guys.
I will be calling to
Take care,
Adam.
Ahmad.
Bye-bye.
Ciao.
Mm.
Okay.
Habibi, he is the best. I literally lived in the same hotel as him in Basel.
Yeah, we love him.
I loved it so much. Oh. Okay,
I have a
let's do it.
feeling I know which person we should add next.
Just someone. Brede, Bremnet. No, I'm kidding.
I mean,
He's so cute. He's still watching the live show, the live.
is he?
I love that. Oh,
He's
he in
upset.
love, bitch.
Why you
He in
so
love.
obsessed with me?
Nobody
Boy, I
loves
wanna
me
know.
like you do.
Somebody like me, like you do. I don't know.
Nobody gonna love me quite like you. Can't even think.
Oh, who's here? Ah! Who's this hottie?
Hola.
Oh, who is
Hola.
hot?
Oh, with the Spaniel here.
Yes, Kyle lied. He's not half Spanish. I'm half Spanish.
Oh, bitch.
Ra.
Yes.
Muchacho, it's giving.
Yes.
Hi, Brede.
The
You're looking nice and tan.
Thank you. Just came home from France yesterday.
Oh, bitch.
Play.
Wait, where are you, Kyle? In Norway?
yeah, but
No.
I'm back at my parents' home.
How long have you been apart?
A week?
4
No.
days.
4 days?
Oh,
Feels
that's
like
a
a
week
week
too
though.
long, right?
Feels like a week, and I've been. I don't know. I need
It's
to.
been a long week.
Yeah, a long week. A very long week.
Long 4 days.
I keep
Yeah,
Oh,
long
I
day.
keep staring at Bread. He looks like AI generated. He's
Literally, he looks like he reminds me of what is he called? That like prince with
Don't say the prince from
chiseled.
Shrek.
Yes, like the
Mm.
chiseled jawline.
Half my comments are like people putting pictures of him.
I mean, you're hot, so don't worry
he
about
could
that.
never.
It's just the chiseled jawline.
Hmm.
Like you a model and shit, and you're like 6'7".
No, like 6'3" or 6'4".
Kyle would have to climb him like a
No,
coconut tree
wait,
if he's six.
how many centimeters?
193.
Oh, okay. I dated a guy who was 6'6", so 198.
Wait,
Oh.
is Kyle the tallest out of all you?
Huh?
Is Kyle the tallest out of all you guys?
Yes. But it's not hard to be taller than us, so it's not
I
impressive.
think I'm the shortest out of everyone then.
Definitely
Yeah,
the
you are.
shortest.
You're like
And how
140,
tall
aren't
are
you?
you, Mariana?
5'2".
And in
4'9",
centimeters?
you mean?
Yeah, literally. But
No.
literally, you are like 158. Was it?
Oh.
Was it 58? 158 centimeters.
No.
I don't know how it is in centimeters. 5 foot.
Oh, okay.
5'2".
But that's like the Kardashians. They're also short, so
Yeah.
you've got that.
Lady
Not
Gaga's
Chloe.
5'2". I'm not complaining.
No, but
Um,
literally, I mean, like a lot of people think I'm very tall because I'm standing next to Miriana, and then they meet me and they're like, "Why are you so short?" And I'm like, "She's just fucking tiny. She's I
it's
like."
just no. People think I'm tall. People think
Okay, that's
I'm
insane
tall.
though. That's insane. I can see you're tiny. Like you're not like.
I look
But literally,
tiny in heels.
yeah, I wish I
It's
would
that
be a little
bad.
bit taller because then it would be like I would be a little bit skinnier automatically, like because it's more,
I would
like
be so skinny if I was
I would be.
Kyle's height, for example.
Yes,
Yes.
yeah.
Yes.
I mean, I
Yes.
don't think that's how it works, but I would like to say yes, it would be definitely so skinny.
And if you were my
Yes.
height, you wouldn't exist anymore.
No, I would just
No.
evaporate in air.
Yes.
Where is she?
Can you guys hear Sissa?
No, I can't.
No.
I think it's the mic again.
Do you hear me now?
Yes,
Yeah.
now.
And didn't we kick Ahmad out to do a Q&A?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
yes, we
You
did.
guys go ahead with that.
But do you have a question?
Mm.
You were supposed to come prepared.
Okay, who do I ask? Everyone?
You
Me.
decide.
Whoever
You.
you want.
Me.
Nah, one of the girls.
Yes.
Whoa.
I can ask you afterwards if I have any questions.
Okay.
Yes. Ask us.
Yeah, both? Okay.
You decide.
Mm. Who's your favorite between JJ and Kyle?
Oh.
It's giving standard beauty blender fan question.
I feel like with Kyle, he's more like a son, because he's so young, and I feel like I have to be his guide through life, like trying to guide him. With JJ, he's just a mean stepsister, and I am a mean stepsister as well. So I can't like decide. We have both of our own relationships.
True.
Same. I cannot like pick between them because Kyle is like a I don't know. He's like a little marshmallow.
Yes.
Oh.
He's like a little fluffy marshmallow. And then JJ is literally like the mean sister. But like I love when JJ and Jandor are in the same room, for example.
Like literally, I thrive off that energy. Me and JJ, we have so much fun. Like people think we're mean. We're like, no, that's literally our love of assassination. Our like,
Yeah, that's the best love.
yes.
Exactly.
But I think
Exactly.
Kyle, I was about to say, like, I think you will be you're like gonna be the Scandinavian choice man.
No. He's gonna be the Scandinavian Justin Bieber.
No,
No, he's gonna be the worldwide Kyle motherfucking Alessandro because
yes,
he's one of a
that's true.
kind.
That's
I
true.
like this boyfriend energy.
Yes,
I like it. I like
yes,
it.
I love
Okay,
that.
sorry for having the most whack question ever.
No, that's fine.
It's
No.
fine. We still love you.
Yeah, we still like you.
You forgot my question.
He doesn't want to ask you, bitch.
You can ask questions together.
That's true.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
One question for you. Did you have your mom's salmon pasta again?
No.
Hmm.
No,
Maybe I should.
Well, still, mine versus hers.
Ooh.
Monica, are you watching?
Ooh. I hope
Kyle,
she-
by the way, I'm very upset at you because you said that you're going to send the photo that your mother has of the four of us, and you never did.
No, she hasn't sent me anything, so.
Monica, if you're watching, I'm very upset with you because you said you have a photo of the us four beauty blenders, but like I haven't seen it yet.
Well, you
Yeah.
could just come to Norway and get it.
Yeah.
Meet up.
Yeah.
But your salmon pasta or my mom's? Yours.
Oh.
My mom
Is
makes the
it that
best
good?
Why are
bulgogi
they
though.
shocked? They're like,
But is it that good?
Did
Yes,
you
it
just
is.
shade
do I
that?
look like I can't make food?
No, you look like you make mean food, but you know, mom's food is
No,
like
you don't look like you eat food, so that's why I'm like, you don't know. Like, how do you like salmon pasta with like what ice cubes?
No, with heavy cream.
Oh, where does like how does it? Yeah, that's why you're
And like
tall.
herb salt.
Herb
Yeah.
salt. Yeah, you
Oh,
you remember it.
Yeah.
oh.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. That was the questions. Okay. Love you, brother. Bye.
Love you.
Love ya.
Bye. Okay. No, I love him. I love him. Don't worry.
I
Okay.
get that. A lot of people are like, "Do you like bread?" Like, why shouldn't we like bread? What are you talking about?
Yeah, exactly.
My
Okay.
girlfriend's making a Greek yogurt bowl right now.
Oh,
Ooh,
that
that would be
sounds
lovely
nice.
right now.
Why not the leftover? Don't eat the dog peanut butter. Okay.
I'm so
Okay.
tired right now.
Okay,
But
2 questions and then we will leave this live.
yeah. Okay, I'm trying to get someone in. Okay, request and have your questions ready beforehand.
3, 2,
2,
1.
1.
Request. Come on.
All
Come
right.
on.
Guys, I had a dream. It's so hilarious.
Bocham
I,
flip.
I dreamt that we had like the Ellen show, but like the Ellen show setting, but like with us beauty blenders, and like we invited famous people.
Oh,
That's a concept.
that would be impossible. We would all be just talking over each other, like literally, or just like me talking over people. But you know,
No, in my dream it was different segments. It was like a very long dream, but it was short at the same time.
I
Like
love that.
JJ would do, for example, the carpool karaoke. You would do the jokes in the supermarket. Kyle would be the one doing the dancing. They would be Ellen.
He's definitely the dancer. That's true for sure. Yes.
Oh
Okay.
my god, everyone's. I can't add anyone. Oh,
Oh.
Oh,
Ooh. Hi.
hello.
Hi,
Calispera.
Oh my god.
Madonna. Madonna.
Okay, I have my question ready. I'm ready.
Yes.
She's
Ask
Go,
ready.
away.
girl.
Okay,
Go, girl.
if you could change one thing about your performance, what would you do?
Everything. No, I'm kidding.
Everything.
What
Okay.
I would do, say can't.
Okay,
Yes.
no,
Yes.
no, wait. Let me change it. I would actually not change everything. I would change the screen content.
Oh.
Oh, the visuals, you mean?
Yeah, the visuals. I wouldn't like.
No, I think it was perfect.
Oh, oh,
Oh,
thank you.
I
It's literally the
know a
one
lot
from
of people.
Greece, in Karlskrona. The one that came from
Yeah,
Greece.
I know, I know, I
You
know.
remember?
I saw your profile pic.
No.
Yeah.
you're so sweet.
You're so sweet. I love you.
I love you too.
Okay, so
Okay, Fatini, we have to get going now.
yes,
Yes.
But thank you for joining.
thank you for joining
Bye,
in, gorgeous.
Born.
Bye.
She's so sweet.
Cute,
That's
cute
sweet.
pie. She looks so
She came all the
excited.
way from Greece to Sweden to watch one of my shows.
We
Oh, I
have the
love that.
sweetest
That's
fans,
amazing.
guys. We have the
Uh,
sweetest fans, I swear to God.
Yeah.
I wouldn't change anything, and I know a lot of people hated my performance, but
I would
actually,
change your costume and make it the original costume you wore at DMGP.
yeah, maybe that. But also, like, actually, a woman wrote me and said like that she had schizophrenia, and a lot of the things that I was like that we were trying to like get forward came. Yeah.
Hi.
Oh, hi.
Hello.
Hi,
Hello. How
Hi.
are you?
I'm good.
Do you have a question ready?
Yes. Uh, if you would be a family, which of the family member you would be?
Oh. So
I'm the
from the
mom.
beauty blenders, yes, Sisal is the
Mm-hmm.
mother,
I'm the mother.
obviously.
Um,
I feel like
JJ is
oddly
the
enough,
alcoholic drunk uncle.
I feel like oddly I'm the lesbian aunt.
Yes, you are. You are. You know what? I can see you as a lesbian aunt with no kids, just like having fun with other people's kids. Not saying that you wouldn't be a mom, but I can see you're like such a like living in the you just living the life.
Yeah.
Yeah. What would I be? I think I would be like the
You'd be
I
this.
would be the straight A son. Like
Yes.
I see it like
Yes.
vividly.
probably.
Like the not yeah. I will see you as like the little brother who really craves attention, like all of us do. But like literally,
Look
like
at me!
the
Look at
best.
me! Look at me!
Yeah, I
Yes.
Look
was
at
like
me!
that. I was like that.
I
I
can
was like that
imagine.
too.
That was me.
I love
What
that.
What about you? Yeah, you.
Yeah, you. No, you
Uh,
don't know. No,
hmm.
but you're so sweet. But thank you for your question.
Thank you
Thank you
so
so
much
much.
for your
Uh,
question.
one last
Thank you
thing.
for.
Since you mentioned Greek yogurt, have you tried it with honey?
Yes.
She actually put fruit, nuts, and honey.
Greek yogurt with honey is the best. Mm.
You
That's
did put honey in, right?
yeah.
She did.
Okay.
Yes, I love that.
All right. Okay.
Okay, we
Thank
have
you
to
for your
get the next.
question. All right. Okay. Bye.
Thank you for your
Goodbye.
question, sweetie pie.
He was too
It was
stunned
so.
to speak.
Yes.
Oh.
He's like, oh shit. I love that everyone that comes in are like actually just huge fans of Kyle. Everyone loves Kyle
Should,
so
No,
much.
but
should we do two more,
yeah. Let's do two more, but
please?
let's switch it up. Let's have them sing karaoke.
Okay, I love that.
I think most of them won't do it.
They have
No,
to.
100%. Okay, if you're up for the or like talent show, showcase your talent, whatever you
Yes.
want. Show us. We want to see it.
Yes.
All right. Looking through the requests.
Who's
Okay, do a
ready?
countdown, girls.
3, 2, 1.
Send your requests. Come on, guys.
Pew, 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 pew. Happy my own lighter. Hey, hey.
And I have red nails as well.
I have ADHD nails, like
I don't
Yes.
oil.
have. I don't have nails.
Oh. Yeah, I was actually thinking like I usually actually see lesbians with short nails.
Guys, I can't see the. Why
She's
can't?
like, I'm a starfish. It's giving.
I'm not. They're not much of a problem, actually.
Oh, really? Okay, I love
No.
that. I love that for you.
A lot of people have misconceptions about long nails. They're not that much of a problem. I mean, unless they are the nails I had in the finals because they were much longer than this.
Mine are also pretty sharp. Like, I don't know.
Are you guys able to be moderators? Or
No,
like?
No, I
I
can't even
can't.
see the comments at all. So
Oh, fuck. Like I can't. Like get the requests. Should we refresh the live? Like go in
should
and
we?
out?
Yeah.
Yeah, we could do that.
Okay, let's do that. Okay, be right back. Like maximum 2 minutes.
Yes.
Yes.